Welcome guys, welcome to another cool video here. This could be a short and sweet one, but it's kind of cool. And it's called Early Spring, and we're going to be doing it with a 18-inch goddamn squeegee. Anyways, yeah, it's going to be a big squeegee here. I love this big 18-inch boy here. And you will too. Anyways, easy painting. I did it back probably in the year 2000 something. And I did a whole collection of these, and they were called Windows of Heaven. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to do this technique today. You got to paint, pre-paint your canvas purple. Yeah, pretty nice little 14 by 18 here. Using a Plein Air, not that it matters, but you want to use a high quality canvas so it doesn't buckle on you. Anyways, so let's get the show on the road here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a lot of little scribbles. Little scribblies. I want to fill up that whole canvas space. Okay, just so you got a really cool looking design there. You know, spread the love out real good. There you go, looks pretty good. Because you're going to have a little bit of the window showing. Not too many, but some. Okay, now we're going to choose a little bit of yellow for the contrast. Okay, and yellow's going to go against that purple. It's going to be cool. But now you're going to do little circles. Kind of circles. Right over the top of those, so you got the verticals going against the horizontals. Yeah, just kind of place them there, kind of neat. You want them in those areas like that, right there, so it's like empty spot. Big ones, little ones, it doesn't matter. But we're going to do some overlapping ones. Okay, that's good. Maybe one in this corner. There we go. It's kind of nice. Maybe one right here. Okay, now we're going to put just a tiny bit of white, not a lot. The white's really strong, but just enough to give it a little bit of an accent between the two tones. It'll grip some of the blacks, lighten up some of the yellows. There we go, just little circles. Little circles. Right on top of the wiggles. So the wiggles and the circles. Do the wiggles, then the circles. And then overlap them. Overlap is important. There we go, see that? Nice equally spaced, kind of like. Let's get one up here. Okay, I don't want too much paint on there, that's good enough. Now, here comes the magic. You want to move this straight up, get your squeegee, and you don't want to put too much pressure, you just want a little bit of pressure. Start from the top, okay? And gently pull, gently wiggle. Try to get all the way to that edge. Skip a beat. There we go, look at that. Beautiful piece. And then you go from the top down. Okay, now you're gonna get a rag, you're gonna wipe it off just a little bit. Okay? You're gonna get a rag and wipe it off, that excess. You're gonna have a lot of excess. So now, kind of just gently blend that area. Kind of like a Gary Richter kind of piece. Where it got tight, you know, just going to kind of blend it just a little bit. There you go, see? Go up a little higher. Blend that piece in. See that? There you have it. Hope you guys dug that. There you go, check it out. Early spring, guys. Isn't that a nice piece? Try it out one day. Use a big old squeegee, and they cost about 20 bucks now. Maybe they're a little bit more now because I bought it back a long time ago. But anyways, you gotta have a big squeegee for this type of business. Anyways, hope you guys like that. Peace out, Foltz Art.